Nahanap ko lang yung Christmas. Oh my gosh, nandito. Oh my gosh, wala dito. Yung Christmas outfit ni Ayla wala dito. Thursday pala yung ginamit. Yung ano nila kasi today, theme sa dancing is Christmas. And I was thinking, suotin niya na lang yung red na sinuot niya nung Christmas photo. But yeah, nag-laundry pala tayo. Thursday ng umaga, hindi ko pa nga na-fold kasi Thursday, busy tayo. Kagabi din, nagpunta tayo ng market. Ayla, I need to change you because you gotta go soon. Do you know where it is? It's got stars. Take off your pajamas, please.
Is that a Christmas top?
It is a Christmas dress, yeah. It's got stars on it.
Raptor, Hulk, Tractor, Ceratops, Joker, Dragon, Iron Man, Car, Train, Car, Jimny, Football Car.
Jeepney, I love the jeepney. Alright, let's go. Alo, change. Ah, there you go. Daddy will change you. Come on, hurry up. Go, go, go. Oh my gosh. Funny boy. How about you? How are you doing this morning, Gil? Hello, beautiful. Hi. Hey, pretty Gil. You look beautiful. Hey. Good morning. Good morning. It's talking time. Talking to mommy. You gonna talk to me? Hey? I love your outfit. I love it, Baba. It's so beautiful. Are we gonna go to Ate's dancing today? Yes. Are we gonna go to Ate's dancing? Can mommy get ready while you're happy? Yeah, I'm gonna get ready, okay? While you're a happy girl, okay? Yes? Yeah? Do you wanna watch mama get ready? Do you wanna watch mama get ready, beautiful? Yes? Oh my gosh, my love! So pretty. Look at Ate's dress. Oh, show her your dress, Papa. Look at Ate, so pretty. She's a Christmas tree.
You are Christmas tree with no stars. You can have this.
Beautiful girl.
You so beautiful.
Oh, you look so beautiful. Oh, yay. Yay, cool. Yes, change as well. Just mommy now.
It's Joker.
It's Joker. You love Joker so much?
Yeah.
Oh, who gave it to you?
Mommy did.
Who? Thank
you. Why
Who?
does Mama like Joker?
I don't know. He likes Joker. Who gave it to you?
Thank you, guys.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you, peoples.
Who?
Thank you, peoples.
What did he say?
Peoples.
People. Oh, peoples, my S. Thank you, peoples. Napakainit. Good playing. Hello. Love you. I'll see you soon.
Yeah.
Hello, come here. We will go there soon. Daddy's gonna drop Ate off and then come back and then get us. So, papupuntahin yung parents sa dancing 15 minutes before sila matapos. Eh, yung start ng dancing alas 10, tapos matatapos siya ng 10:45. So, masyadong maaga kung sasabay-sabay kami lahat papunta doon. So, ihahatid niya daan, tapos babalik siya. Para isang car lang kami lahat. Ito namang si Daddy, babay ng babay kay Arlo. Gusto nga sumama. Hello, come here! Daddy mo talaga. Minsan naman talaga.
I don't like you.
You don't like me? Why? What did I do?
Daddy, apple. Daddy,
Oh, you won't like me. No.
Daddy, apple.
No.
Daddy, apple.
I said no, Alo. We're going soon. I'm sorry, but no.
Hello guys, family again, together again, the family. I love this color. See, my choices of clothes for you are really good. Do you love this now? This is your favorite
I love
again?
the clothes you bought for me, I hate.
Oh, over yung I
I'm
hate.
serious.
Yeah, you hate and then you keep wearing.
It's just old fashioned.
Oh,
Just I like more trendy
if
stuff.
I didn't buy you clothes and I didn't get rid of all your old clothes, you will still be wearing black right now, the black tight short ones. You're welcome. You're welcome.
They weren't that short.
Your wife looks after you
No, you don't.
really well. Look how guapo you look. Huh? Look how guapo you look. Where's your wedding ring? Taken, guys. Taken, this man.
I'm open to offers.
Me?
Open to offers.
Single.
Take it.
You need to buy me a new ring. Buy me a new ring, please. Okay?
If you can be nice with me for 1 week, I'll buy your.
You're right. It doesn't fit me still. My goodness. Sabi ko, baka lumaki yung
Dad,
buto
you told
ko.
you.
I think, yeah, my bones are bigger. Because I'm pretty, not really. I was gonna say I'm pretty much on my pre-pregnancy weight, but not really
Not
yet.
really.
Well, not really. No,
You're not?
Not yet.
I'm being honest about it.
What?
Yeah.
Such a basher you are. But my rings doesn't fit still. And to think it was loose. Yung engagement ring ko was loose. Kaya ko binili yung mga maliliit na rings to hold it in. But yeah, hanggang ngayon hindi pa din siya kasya. Yung tatlo kasi tatlo yun eh. Anyway, we're off to Isla's dancing. Oi! We will watch Ate Baba. Here you go. The parents are here. Thank you. So we were gonna get milk tea, but hindi natuloy kasi nag-away na naman yung dalawa. Listen, don't cry, and listen to me. You said something mean to Daddy. You said something mean to
I
him,
feel my tooth, Mom.
and it upset him.
Help me, Aya.
Why? Why did you say that?
Because I wanted to get milk tea.
No, before that, we were gonna get milk tea, but then you said something mean to him.
Help me, Aya.
Babe, don't say
Help
mean things to
me.
Daddy.
Help
He takes you
Aya.
to dancing every Saturday.
Aya, help me.
You hurt his feelings.
Help me,
Did you know
Aya.
that?
Help me.
You said something mean. You said, I don't want
Help
you to
me,
take me to dancing
Aya.
anymore. That's not nice.
Help me.
You should say thank you, Daddy, for taking me to dancing all the time. I appreciate it. Be nice to Daddy, please. Now he's not gonna get you milk tea because you're not nice. Only nice girls get milk tea. So when Daddy gets back, what do you say to Daddy? What do you
Help me,
say?
Aya. Help
Okay.
me.
Do you understand why he was upset? You said something
Help me,
mean to him.
Daddy.
So you say, I'm sorry, Daddy, for being mean to you. Are you gonna say that to Daddy? Okay. Here, let's wipe your nose. And say that to Daddy. I shouldn't be asking you to say it, okay? You just say it to Daddy when Daddy gets here. Okay, blow. Don't cry, don't cry. Blow. Okay, now put your seatbelt on, and when Daddy gets back,
Help me.
you tell Daddy how sorry you are. Okay?
Help Aya.
Go, ate.
Mm.
It's okay. Don't. Ayla, you were mean to him. It's okay. I'll help you. Come on, because we're going to the shops. Here. Alright, come on. He didn't hear you. Get him. Say it louder. Come on.
I'm sorry.
Sorry for what?
I'm sorry.
For what?
For what? What did you do?
What did you do that you're sorry for? Let's go.
Come on, Ayla.
Gosh.
You told him to go away. You told him not to take you dancing anymore. That's not nice, is it? What do you say now? Daddy takes you? Do you appreciate it? What do you say?
Sorry.
It's okay. Why are you upset? Daddy's not talking. We're inside. Ayaw niya dun sa cart kasi si Daddy yung nagpo-push. Hindi sila bate. Oy, watch out, Ayla.
What?
Come on.
Mommy,
Yes, baby.
what's inside?
Huh?
2 for 28.
2 for 28. Yeah, sige. It doesn't expire. It's the sunrise.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's
good. Well, it's the same for me. Thank you. I'm looking for my mayo. No. We still have a lot of noodles. Thank you. Ay, there you go, mayo. This one, ate. Do you not can you reach that? That. Can you reach? Yeah, go. Oh. This one. Oh, well done, ate. Oopsie. It's okay. Put in Daddy's cart, please. Oh, there? No. Daddy's cart. Ayaw niya talaga lumapit sa cart ni Daddy. It's okay. Stay here. We're looking for gravy. Gravy. Pero it has to be the Maggi. Or Maggi. Maggi yung tawag nila doon. Asa na yun, ate? I don't think they have it, Bob. Gravy. Maganda yun eh. Mas masarap yun kaysa sa Grabox. Other side, ate. Alright, nagtanong na ako kasi hindi ko mahanap. But tinanong ko lang gravy. Let's see if they have the Maggi here. They only have Grabox. Nope. They don't have it. Hello, beautiful. Oh my gosh, you're cross-eyed. What are you looking at? She's cross-eyed. Look.
Huh?
Nalibat si baby.
Hello.
Be ay kalibat, be.
Hello.
Look, what are you looking at? Nalibat. Yan, okay na siya. Minsan talaga nalilibat talaga yan sila, guys. Kapag may tinitingnan, no? Hello? Yes? Hello? Dumihan na naman, Bob. Sumuka siya kanina. We're here sa yogurt section. They're not on sale, my love. Yeah, we usually get the ones on sale. Pag walang naka-sale, we just go for the petite mum. Petite miam.
13 for the 12 as well.
Okay, yep.
They should be on sale also soon.
Yeah, how about
These
this?
are the 24.
How about the cars and the blueies?
Yummy.
The expiration.
That's all, these are fine.
Yeah. That one's yummy?
Yeah.
Ooh. Put it back. We're not getting that yogurt.
Why? Why, mommy? Why?
That'll do.
Not that one. Daddy's getting the yogurt.
That's it.
Let's have a look.
I'm cold.
Thank you, Dada.
I'm cold.
Go in here.
Naka-sale yung kay Indy. Size 4, size 3, size 2, this one. Sorry.
1 or
2.
2. And then
Yep. This is nice nappies actually. Sorry. But right now, we get whatever nappies na naka-sale. Kasi okay na okay sa kanya kahit ano. Ooh, it is Batman. Naka-half price yung laundry detergent. So, let's get that. Where's Daddy? Ate, can you give that to Daddy? Two hands. There, Daddy's there. Alright, straight ahead.
What is it, Alo? Alo, what is it? A snowman! Aww.
Do you know what snowman has for a nose?
What does he have, Alo? On the nose? What is it? Is it a carrot? Show me your snowman. I love it, Alo. So cute. Princess? Princess, show me your face. Oh, beautiful. I love it.
The lollipops are really good.
Do you want a photo? Kids? Yeah, we'll have a photo. Aww. Photo with Santa? Bati na sila. Bila na siya ng milk tea. Dito kami sa milk tea. Sila na talaga naka-painting, body painting, face painting. Libre lang, guys. Ang galing. Ang daming pagganap sa mga dito shops kapag Christmas. Maraming Santa. Tapos ito face painting na libre. He wants to see him.
There you go.
Kain lang kami. So I ordered chicken noodles. And then milk tea as well for ate. Ate, Daddy's getting you milk tea. What do you say to Dada?
Thank you.
Are you okay now with Daddy?
What?
How about Alo? Alo, do you want to have a bite of that? What time is it now? Do you guys like it?
Yes.
Beautiful. Look at Ate. Alo, can you see yours? Where is it? Is it on your arm? Oh, nice. So beautiful, guys. Don't rub it, huh? Keep it on.
Yum.
Hello. Let's do a very quick haul. Naka 2 for 28 ang rice. So, binili namin dalawa. Ang dami ko pang rice, guys, but naka-sale eh. Dalawang nappies for Arlo. Naka 40% off yung nappies. So, kay Arlo at saka kay Indy, wala na kaming pili masyado sa nappies. Kung ano lang yung naka-sale. And then, Indy's nappies. I'm not sure kung gaano ka-sale, but it was on sale. So, we got 2 as well. Alright, so I got this. Kasi ang dami naming mga damit na may stain. Tapos hindi ko siya masyadong aalagaan because wala akong time talaga na kuskusin, na tutukan talaga. So nilalagay ko lang siya sa wash. Tapos pagka dry na, tapos tutupiin ko na, nakikita ko na nandun pa din yung mga stain. So binabalik ko na naman sa washing. Alam mo yun? So itatry natin to para siya sa stains. Hopefully it works. Kasi ang hirap kapag kailangan kamayin. This was 50% off, so we got that as well. And then dalawang tissues. Naka 2 for something ata to junkies. Veggie straws, naka 2 for something rin. Ito din naka 2 for something. Nadadala ka talaga sa mga 2 for something, doon ka nabubudol eh. Masarap to. Shortbread cream na biscuits from Arnott's. Croissant. QP mayo. Naubos na yung QP mayo namin. Wraps. Milk. Where did you put the meat, my love?
Veggies on.
Okay. Dino nuggets. Steak na maninipis. Kailangan ko yung i-freeze kasi ako lang yung kakain yan. Hindi sedan. Tapos hindi ko yung makakain ng isahan. 3 probiotic drink. 3 lang. Usually ang dami. Kaya lang yung expiration ang lapit lang. Bay leaves. Naubusan ako ng bay leaves. And yogurts, guys. Meron pa
pala. Binilhan ako ni Dan kanina. After niya dinrap si Ayla, binilhan niya ako ng Danish. Hindi ko nakain kasi sobrang hectic na. Tapos, naiwan ko lang sa car. Strawberries. Tomato. Gypsy ham. So, lagi na akong binibilhan ni Dan ng gypsy ham. Kasi kapag nag-cheese platter ako, pwede na kasi akong kumain ng ham kasi hindi na ako buntis. Ang ingay-ingay ng pamilya ko, guys. No? But that's okay. Maingay, meaning masaya. Beef tortellini. Masarap to. Ito yung tinry namin last time. We got this from Tony and Mark's and masarap siya. Yung natira kong chicken noodles. Asparagus. Masarap tong asparagus kasi maninipis. Avocado. And yung meat. Parang schnitzel ata to. Tapos mga lamb. Ito. Dinners ni Dan. 2:11 ng hapon. Kakatapos ko lang guys magtupi. So now, I will paint my nails. Hindi ako maglalagay ng press on kasi gusto kong pagpahingahin yung aking kuko from glue. So sabi ko mag-nail polish na lang ako today. Buti na lang I didn't get rid of all my nail polishes. Try ko muna yung red. Nandito lang ako sa kwarto kasi Dan's keeping the kids downstairs. Mas madali kasi magtupi kung wala yung mga bata. Kasi nagugulo nila guys yung mga tupiin ko. So, sabi ko kay Dan kanina, please keep the kids downstairs para makapagtupi ako in peace. Natapos ko yung tupiin ko na ang bilis-bilis lang. Naput away ko din agad-agad. Hello. Ready? Almost ready na ako guys. Nasabi ko ba sa inyo? Hindi ko nasabi sa inyo. Pupunta kami sa birthday ng pamangkin ni Dan. So, I will be wearing this. Itatry ko tong Rouge Dior Forever Liquid Sequin Lipstick. Yung Divine na shade. Bigay ng La Olivia PH. Try ko lang gamitin. I'm not sure kung ito talaga yung gagamitin ko or baka hubadin ko ito mamaya. Kasi hindi siya super long lasting sa akin nung first time ko siyang tinry. But, pakita ko sa inyo guys. Lagay ko lang siya. Walang salamin. Ayla, can you check Indy's dummy please? Nabihisan ko na si Ayla. Buhok na lang kulang. Si Arlo tulog.
Mommy, can we have that tail, please?
Nana. Mas dark sa camera tingnan guys. But hintayin lang natin. Hintayin lang natin na mag-set siya ng 5 minutes. Tapos makikita nyo mamaya yung sparkle. Yung theme pala is floral or pastel. Parang na-cover ko naman yung floral at saka pastel. Pakita ko sa inyo ang aking dress.
Aking dress? We can make it, guys.
And Ayla's dress is nice as well. And Indy will be wearing a floral dress. Look at her beautiful kill! Oh my goodness! Ang ganda naman yung Indy girl. Dolce & Gabbana yarn. Bigay to ni Tita Secret. Bigay niya to kay Ayla. Kinip ko. And now, Indy's wearing it. Look how beautiful. Papa! Hey! Beautiful baby! Umiyak siya guys kasi antok na siya. Kaya lang, ayokong patulugin kasi alis na kami maya-maya lang. Let's bring your swaddle so you can sleep in the pram. Say hi guys, I'm beautiful Indy. Oh my gosh, kaganda naman yung aking babang lang, uy. Kapriti, buyag. Hala ka buyag ni Gara. Do you like this stuff?
It's alright.
Chose this again, guys. Seriously. You're welcome.
I like wearing short sleeve shirts.
You like wearing?
But let me choose them most of the time because
This is nice.
this one's fine, but most of the time you wouldn't get it right. This one, you
You're
got,
right.
this one you got right.
You're whatever. You didn't even want to get this. You didn't want to buy this. We were in Sydney. I saw it and I was like, oh, perfect. He's like, no. He walked off. You walked away. You walked away. You jumped on there. He just left me there.
Why?
Daddy left me because he didn't want me to buy this. But I stayed and paid for it. And now he's wearing it. And I think this is his favorite.
Don't know one that fits me. Don't have a choice.
It's nice.
It is nice. It is nice.
Yeah.
How much was it?
At the next traffic
Secret.
lights, turn
No, was
left.
it 60 or 80?
80.
80.
79. I think it's linen, is it?
I don't know. You guys hungry? Good. Good. There's no food there.
So it's a long drive. It's 32 minutes away now. Now 31. Indy looks so pretty. You look so beautiful, Baba. I love your lipstick.